In the darkest moments of life, a small glimmer can guide us towards light. George, a young adult, sits by the window, staring into his own darkness with a look of despair. He feels lost and sad. The next morning, George urges himself to take a walk through the city in the hope of finding something new. Suddenly, he notices a community garden bursting with vibrant flowers and greenery. He steps into the garden, breathing deeply and feeling a sense of peace. After a while, George is seen actively working in the garden, planting seeds and watering plants. The garden begins to flourish, and so does George's sense of joy and purpose. In nurturing new life, we often find a way to nurture our own spirits. As the seasons change and the garden evolves, George's journey mirrors the garden's growth. In embracing change and growth, we discover our true strength. George's demeanor becomes more positive and assured. One morning, George stands at the edge of the garden, watching the sunrise. The golden rays illuminate the garden, symbolizing a new beginning. The light we seek is often within us, waiting to be discovered. George stands with the community, all smiling and united. Even in the darkest of times, there is always a glimmer of light to guide us towards a brighter tomorrow.